Hi, third graders. It is Wednesday, May 6th, and we're doing lesson 4 in math. And I wanted to show you this poster again. Mathematicians take risks, use intuition, they ask questions. They are precise, they rise to the challenge. They reason, prove, connect ideas, they work alone and together. So you can either do this lesson on your own, or today at 10:30 after our morning meeting, you can stay on and work through this lesson with me. We also make mistakes as mathematicians, so I think that's a really, really important one for you to remember, that making mistakes helps you learn. So we are on page 401, and we are comparing numbers, keeping in mind greater than, less than, or equals to. I always think of this as the alligator's mouth is open to the largest number. And what I wanted to encourage you to do is when you're solving problems like this, you can also make a proof drawing. And a proof drawing for number 1 would look like this. So there are 3 10s and 4 1s. The number 86, there's your 5 10s and a space, and 3 more 10s makes 80, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a space, 86, and you can look at your proof drawing and know our larger number is the 86. So I would like you to go through and work on these. Number 1 through 10, notice it gets to the thousands place, so pay close attention to place value. Starting with number 11, they want you to order the numbers. Write the numbers in order from greatest to least. So the greatest number would be first, comma, then the next, and then the least. And then number 13 and 14, they're switching it on you. Now they want you to do least to greatest. So your least number is first, then the next, and then the greatest. And you can check your answers. When you're finished, you can pause the video and check right now and do the work, or you can continue with the lesson. Next is page 402. And we're going to use comparison bars to solve these problems, and they want us to label the answers. David has 5 marbles and Anna has 8 marbles. How many more marbles does Anna have than David? So I think you have done comparison bars in the past. I'm not exactly sure though. So let me show you what they're talking about. So here is Anna. And they're saying that Anna has 8 marbles. So that's what we know. We know that David has 5 marbles. The question is, how many more marbles does Anna have than David? So this circle is the question mark. We don't know how many more Anna has than David, but we can use our math skills to figure it out. We can say 5 plus what we don't know equals 8, or we can use subtraction. 8 minus 5 gets us 3. So we know that Anna has 3 more marbles than David. How many fewer marbles does David have than Anna? Well, he has 3 fewer marbles. So you can see here at the bottom, you can either do a comparison drawing using circles to compare, or the bars. I chose the bars. The next one is, it says Claire has 8 marbles, Sasha has 15 marbles. How many more marbles does Sasha have than Claire? And how many fewer marbles does Claire have than Sasha? Feel free to use either the comparison drawing or the comparison bars to show your work on this one. And the last one is about Rocky. Rocky has 7 fishing lures. Megan has 12 fishing lures. How many fewer fishing lures does Rocky have than Megan? So solve those and use Schoology to check your work. Page 403, comparison problems with an unknown larger or smaller amount. Solve each problem, label your answers. Unknown larger amount. Maribel has 18 stickers. Arnon has 13 more stickers than Maribel. How many stickers does Arnon have? Well, I always like to start out with what I know. So what's known right now is Maribel has 18 stickers. So I'm going to show her 18 right here. Arnon has 13 more, so that means that he has the same amount as her, plus he has 13 more than that. So that tells me I have to take that 18 and I have to add it to the 13 to figure out how many more he has. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Into the tens place, 1 plus 11 plus 1 is 31. So now I know that Arnon has 31 stickers. Don't forget to label. And the next one, Aaron has 31 stickers. Maribel has 13 fewer stickers than Arnon. How many stickers does Maribel have? So this time, the known is Arnon's. Let's start with what we know about Arnon. He has 31. And Maribel has 13 fewer. So it doesn't really tell us. It just says she has 13 fewer. So he has 31, she has 13. In order to figure this out, we have to do 31 minus 13. Go to the tens place. 11 minus 3 is 8, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 18 stickers. I would like you to do number 22 and number 23 on your own and check the answers. Page 404, this is our last page. We're going to use comparison bars to represent an unknown amount. Solve each problem, label your answers. So an unknown smaller amount. TJ has 18 fewer miniature cars than Corey. Corey has 32 miniature cars. How many miniature cars does TJ have? So again, start out with what you know. And here's, a C for Corey. And we know that Corey has those 32 cars. TJ has 18 fewer. So we know he has 18 fewer. So our unknown is right here. So to figure out our unknown, we have to take the total, which is 32 minus the 18, go to our tens place, and make 1 10 into 10 ones. 12 minus 8 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 14. So 14 cars. Or you can write miniature cars. And number 25, Corey has 18 more miniature cars than TJ. TJ has 14 miniature cars. How many miniature cars does Corey have? So let's start with what we know. I'm going to erase this so I have some room. Okay, so what we know right now is that TJ has 14. We know that Corey has 18 more. So Corey has the same 14, but then he has 18 more. So 14 plus 18, and I'm going to put it right over here. 4 plus 8, and carry. So you have 32 miniature cars. So third graders, here's your plan for today. Finish up any of these that you haven't done, and then use the workbook pages, correct your workbook pages using Schoology. There's a quiz 6.4, and there's some IXL that I want you to do. Have a great day. Bye-bye.